Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got to do something. I've tried to hang on to it for a while. We gave it a shot, and it's just not working out for me. The side steps have to come off the truck. I just can't take it no more. So what we're going to do is find our tool bag. Here, let's see. Nope, not this side. Ugh, come on. Well, nope, that's not it. Must be here in the back. Yahtzee. If you guys don't have one of these, check them out. They're pretty much a roll-up bag. So I used to carry all of these sockets and wrenches and everything I would carry in their hard cases in the drawers, and it just took up so much room that I went and got one of these bags. And now I have the whole set in here. So there's small sockets in here, and these zip on, and these velcroed on. If you guys take them with you for anything. There's nothing in that one. Wrenches, more sockets, more wrenches, pretty much everything you would need. And it all rolls up in the bag. I can put it here, or I can put it in underneath the seat where I thought they were to begin with. So we're gonna get out some, whatever ones we need. I think it's a 12mm, and we're gonna hop up under here. Oh, these things are so dirty. I should have done this before I went off-road, because these things are disgusting. It's probably caked up under here. But anyway, we're gonna get to it. Let's see, we'll need that. And is it that one? I don't know. We're gonna grab some. Just ballpark it here. Maybe, no, not that one. No, I don't think it's that one. Maybe this one? All right, let's try. Oh! Oh my God. So dirty. Alright. Yep, that's the one. Check that out. First try. That almost never happens. Alright, so that one looks bent. That'll be fun getting off. Might need the extension. Yep, need the extension. So now I remember why this was kind of a pain in the butt. You can't use a socket, you gotta use wrenches, because the rocker panel nuts stick out too far. So all I'm doing is trying to loosen them up enough to where I can get the socket on there. Not sure how this one got bent. Well, obviously I bent it, but I don't know what I've done that bent. See if that's enough. Not quite. Try that. There we go. Probably asking yourself, Aaron, why don't you just go to Lowe's and get some ratcheting wrenches? Well, I don't know why I don't, but I don't, so we're gonna do it the hard way today. Next time, we're gonna have the right tools. Myself a head start last time. If you watched that video, the can't even see it. There it is. This one here broke. So only one on that one. That'll be good. And then those two, and then 2, 4, 6 more. All right, so we got the first one done. Let's go ahead and take it off. Oh yeah. How much higher up the truck looks just by not having that on there. I'm gonna like this so much better. Like I said before, I should have done this before I went off-roading because there's so much sand and dirt in my eyes and my ears now, but they were pretty caked up. Okay, let's do the other side. All right, second one's done. The other side was a lot harder. This one wasn't too bad. The worst are the ones up by the front wheel. Those two are kind of hard to get to, at least with the tools I have. If you have the proper tools, it's probably not too bad. But anyway, let's pop this baby off. Man, it looks so much better. So much better. Look at that. Way, way better. It's also gonna make it easier to get up in here with the pressure washer and clean it up a little bit. But yeah, way better. That's what I want. All right, well, we're on the way to the car wash to get her all cleaned up. And the unfortunate side of things is when you have a tent on the back of your truck, at least the car wash is down here, you don't let you through. So you got to go to like a hand wash place or do it yourself. So that's what we're doing. Since we don't have any soap or anything at the house, we're gonna go up here to this car wash that's probably like not even 2 miles from my house. So it's not a huge deal, but yep. I know, right? These are real first world problems. You got to wash your own vehicle. Oh my God. And just like that, she is all done. Not detailed clean, but clean enough for me. Phew, buddy.